To fix the problem where your sticks are drifting for Joy-Cons in Nintendo Switch 2, first of all you will need to click on the gear icon to open a settings for your console. Then scroll down and look for the controllers and accessories. Right here we need to scroll down again and look for the calibration. So here we have the calibrate controller sticks. It's not the one that I pressed on. So it was accident. We need to go for control sticks. Now you need to tilt the control stick you want to calibrate. In this case we're gonna go for this one. Now as you can see there's a graph, and if your controller stays like mine on the middle, then it means that it's actually working fine, and if it's still drifting, look underneath the stick and see if there's any dirt. Try to clean it, but do not damage it. Now you can also press on Y to reset a default settings, which should potentially fix those issues. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.